Hey guys, Northern Survivalist here, and today I want to do another review. Today we're going to be reviewing some MTECH USA knives and a little tiny pickaxe slash axe. In this review, I'm just going to go over what I noticed with the quality of each product, and also I did read the reviews on Amazon before I bought each product, and there are some mixed reviews for this knife right here, and I just want to talk about that real quick. Now, just so everybody knows, all the products and all my reviews will be in the description of the video. I forgot to mention that in my last video. So if you are interested in each product, I will put all of them in the description. Now, mind you, I'm in Canada, so it'll be an Amazon.ca website instead of a .com website. If you are in America watching this, just look up the product on Amazon and you can find it there. Just type in MTECH USA. So we're going to get started with the first one over here. I picked this one up just the other day. It just came in. I'm really liking this one. As you see, I haven't even taken off the protective tip. But what I was looking for was like a bayonet-esque type knife. Now, this knife is amazing. It is quite sharp already. I still would recommend sharpening it just a bit. I really like this aggressive serrated edge up top. I don't know if you can really use it. The points are very sharp. This nice part here, if you're cutting through something, it doesn't get stuck halfway. There is like an air gap to help, and it is very pointy. So one thing I don't really like about this knife, which I wish they did a little bit more effort towards, is the handle. It is a full tang knife, but it does use a very lightweight plastic handle, which, I mean, for a knife like this, you kind of want a heavier handle. This knife here does it really well. It has a very nice heavy handle, but regardless, looks wise, I did a little bit of cutting with it to see how sharp it was. Works really well, but like I said, make sure, it doesn't really matter what you buy these days on Amazon, make sure you sharpen it once you get it, just because they're not fully sharp. So this one here, this was the first one I purchased from MTECH. The reviews are about 3.5 out of 5. This one over here, they were like almost 4.5 out of 5. This one here, I really liked it just for the color. The sheath is like polymer, really nice hard sheath, which I really like. So I have this one on the exterior of my bug out bag, while I have this one over here, usually on my belt or on another pouch or inside my bag. So anyways, this one here, perfect for the exterior sheath. It does have a really weird system, and I'll show you real quick. So most of these other knives have buttons, right? Or even the axe has a button. This one here does it like this. It's kind of bizarre, if you guys can see that. You kind of gotta like, yeah, like puzzle that. It's really bizarre, really bizarre, but I think it's kind of cool. It's same thing for the tightening mechanism for your belt or wherever you're attaching it to. I just have this on my molly bag. And it just goes through like this, and then you put that in there. So, and it does hold really well. I was surprised. I thought it was going to fall out very easily, but it does not. So anyways, now I'm going to pull this knife out. Really nice knife. MTECH USA, first recon, search and destroy. Obviously that's kind of cool. You know, bring some Call of Duty-esque style to the knife. The serrated edge, it's kind of lame in my opinion. I was really hoping it was going to look nicer. I'm not a fan of this point right here, that it's like a sharp, like flat style. I really like the curved styles, as you see. I'll try and get that in the picture. Other than that, the blade is very heavy, which is really nice. It really helps while cutting. The handle is a very nice rubbered handle, very heavy. This feels like cast iron. And I haven't really checked out what this was here, but I'm pretty sure it just holds the blade together. But it's really nice blade to hold. Cutting, breaking down some trees, breaking down some whatever. I think this will do a really good job. I love it. Honestly, I would buy another one, to be honest, like if I could. This one is nice. I think I paid 16 bucks for this. This one was about, I think 20. I'm not really sure on the prices. I'll try and put them on the screen for each product. But yeah, I bought this one a little while ago. I don't remember the exact cost. So last but not least, I picked up this little hatchet. Now, from the pictures on Amazon, I really thought this was much bigger. When I pulled it out of the box was huge. I pulled it out of the box, I'm like, oh my god, this is so tiny. I basically wanted this for the pickaxe aspect of it. As you can see there, very nice pickaxe. Good for bushcraft, which you will see in other videos once the quarantine is over. I will be out doing some bushcraft stuff. Now, this is the axe. Very nice little cute axe. It's, you know, it can do some sticks, break some basic stuff. But really I want it for the pickaxe part. When I'm digging some holes for bushcraft, making, you know, a little shelter, this will work really well. The axe is very sharp, so be careful. It's actually more sharp than the knives from MTECH. But other than that, very lightweight. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It is a full tang, so it doesn't just stop there. Works really, really well. So that's the MTECH axe. I think it's only like 10 bucks, 12 bucks Canadian. So yeah, honestly, not bad for the price. This stuff was pretty cheap. I'm really happy with it. I honestly, again, I just wish this one had a better handle. I'm not really a big fan of the rubber, and it's really, really lightweight handle and very small for the knife. You know, I mean, okay, maybe I'm just over exaggerating, but still, this one feels way nicer to hold than this one does. But if you're looking for a more aggressive style, go with this one here, the more bayonet type. If you're looking for a more, I don't know, stronger, heavier knife that feels good in your hand, this guy here. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Sorry for rambling on so much, but I hope you guys liked that. Comment if I helped you guys choose one of the MTECH knives. Let me know what you guys think, what else I should review. Just tell me in the comments, hey, Mike, can you review this? Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys, my name is Mike. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and see you in my next video.